In this video, we will learn Boolean expressions. A Boolean expression is an expression that is either true or false. There are many different relational operators. For example, x is equal to y. X is not equal to y. X is greater than y. X is less than y. X is greater than or equal to y. X is less than or equal to y. Now let's suppose x is equal to 10 and y is equal to 5. Is x equal to y? We got false. Is x not equal to y? We got true. Please be aware that the true and false are not strings. They are special values that belong to the type bool if we type true. You see the class is bool, not string. However, if we type hello, you see the class of hello is string. Although these operators are probably familiar to you, the Python symbols are different from the mathematical symbols. A common error is to use a single equal sign instead of a double equal sign. In Python, single equal sign is an assignment operator and a double equal sign is a relational operator.